Hello guys, namaste, paref, ndiepi, sanbonani. Anyway, we have a box with a machine inside. All right, they told me this is dead, not turning on. This came from the box. I don't know why they didn't return this machine. Back to the store because it's almost new, fresh, everything. But it's not turning on. Okay, if I have to predict and guess the issue with this machine, I will say the issue here is on the power button. The keyboard is faulty. That's exactly what I will say. I'm using a different mat today. Anyway, let's see. All right. So what you do, take your multimeter, you put it into continuity mode, you take one probe, positive probe, connect it to ground. I'm using the USB port as the ground, and then you touch. All right, it's not turning on. Nothing. Let's connect the battery. Let's disconnect the battery. The battery has been disconnected, and then you disconnect the CMOS battery. The CMOS battery has been disconnected, and then you hold the CMOS battery, connect those two pins. You combine them with tweezers or with anything. Make sure those two pins are touching. You hold for 60 seconds. As anyway, these machines are well known for having a faulty power button on the keyboard. The power button on this machine is integrated within the keyboard. So if the keyboard malfunction, the entire machine won't be able to turn on. As well as the old machines where the power button is excluded from the machine, you will be able to use the laptop with a faulty keyboard because the power button is not integrated within the keyboard. So anyway, I'm gonna try to turn it on one more time. Let's connect the battery and put back everything. All right, guys. It's still on continuity mode. This time, let's connect the charger. Let's see if we do get the charging light. We do get the charging light and orange light. Let's see why there's no. Let's see why there's no blue light. See why there's no blue light. All right, it's turning on. Okay, it's turning on. The issue here is the keyboard. The keyboard is faulty. Guys, I've been telling you, these machines are very, very bad. The keyboard, no, these machines are good. I won't lie to you. These are very, very nice machines, and I love Acer. I'm one of the best supporter for Acer. They're very good. I think what they need to do here, they need to change their keyboard styles. Next time, if they're designing a new machine, they should pay more attention on the keyboard. The keyboard issue, the power button on the keyboard, I'm telling you, is causing some serious problem right there. See, it's turning on. The issue is what is the keyboard. All right. Anyway, you need to change the keyboard, and then the machine will work fine. I guess the battery was low, that's why it wasn't turning on. Anyway, bye bye and take care.